Travel with style and comfort with the all-new Force Traveler Sohra, customized by Bomb for Force, Shillong. Enjoy its big and comfortable cabin along with its large boot space. A new leather interior along with furnished floors, individual charging stations, personalized overhead air conditioning with pleasant after-dark lighting, comfortable reclining seats, adjustable side mirrors, and aerodynamic luggage carrier. For more customizable options, contact Bomb for Force, 3rd Mile, Upper Shillong.
Hakaski balang jagatayo Menteri Rangba ke Jalau Konut ke Sangma, Iakynduh ke Sohra District Demand Forum, ke Kinhuan ke Beladawa, ban penyo ke Sohra la ke Jongka District. Habai kena miklap thai kubur hadian ke Jelang, General Secretary ke Forum uba John Thaba, itu ubu Menteri Rangba ke Jalau la Kular, baka Sorkar kan Shimkhia halor ke Bentang. Ulo ogru bawa la ke Jingdawa ke Ladon Mentala Khatsan Arphusnem, Hendrai ke Kinhuan ke Numpen Bor, la Nipen Kerki ke Sorkar, Hendrai kan Ailat baka Sorkar kan le la Kam. Ula pette bru balada ka Sohra ka yo ala ka Jongka District kan kitub ya kumba ars patali ki Shillong.
Kadang-kadang ku Cimestar ula ila pening ada ka presentation ke Cimestar aka bede ba kini ka map Jongka District ba ni propose mo. Kadang-kadang ku Cimestar long willing ula ai ka assurance ka ba setengah ula clear ru ba ka headquarter di district ni ada menong Sohra ni. Dirni nak kadang juga government ila ai ka kaji ông nhiều sembilan kan tu isi mesta buat hak ega proposal yang government seni ya ke ika government ka kayoi la kada gununu ki ilu ki ji jongka ki de sebut mai kita ka si proposal dalam government hari isi banget in examine the proposal ya ka proposal the government patang tar insat insah ya ka ji model yogi ta kadang-kadang jing pong jok semesta ni ka biang long positif ya ke ba kerana protokol kabiak positif. Ina persen di description di government harus nama aja kerah. Apa biarkan tu semester aksen menengkok. Di hantar yang ayah perlu ki description lebih baka social, economic, but developmental aspect jauh ni kan di mana kita ni mo. Tinggal kerana tu maka seorang mentah ketika district berimdu apakah jelas ni kan. Ki district Phamadian kita ayo ya kan. Di subdivision Phamadian kita ayo di district. Dan dia seorang rasa kot kumni. Di kuat iba government ni berbuat ke Jolong ba, manwara ya kan, administration lagi kamjan yu pai ba. Jadi kuat bahkan ni rukan long kumta. Nomor pi dengan batai kis kau itu, kalian nak isasir buat cim stam matan ula ada ben. Baka isasir kalau ahek parat ke district nanta ka congestion ka jur pala kantong apa Shillong. Tidak pun don kan iban kia di isasir. Sakoi pat kumba atlet district bahkan mina ke Sohra ke tunggu district.
Bila kena baka Sohra ka yo tunggu district.
Usi mesti ulai ka assurance walaupun le ni. Mesti ulai ka assurance pun le baik tentu mata kali ka kam kan chief secretary walaupun exercise ya ka kamlang officially kan.
After the committee has met me, I have assured them that we will take this discussion forward. I will ask the Chief Secretary to once again review this entire matter, call this committee if necessary, and discuss with other stakeholders also who are part of this entire discussion for the district. And after we are able to take and consult with everybody, then we can decide on the way forward. But right now, as I said, there are a lot of areas which need to be looked into, and concerns are there from different angles, and I think it's very important to discuss all those areas before any final decision can be taken. So the next step will be to call all the organizations and the members, and we'll be asking Chief Secretary and the concerned department to discuss and to share all the concerns that are there.